Well, let's take a look at the Asian markets now. They have recovered from what we would call a mixed market. Now, Shanghai, Hang Seng and Kospi, all of them trading in the green. Shanghai seeing gains of around 0.4%, and Hang Seng also seeing gains on the similar levels. But let's move on. And as 2019 starts on a volatile note for most global markets, what is the outlook for emerging markets and India in the year ahead? Here is some opinion from Ashmore Asset Management.
I think emerging markets are cheap compared to developed markets, considerably so, actually. And I think they have reasonably bright outlook. And I think flows will continue to come into emerging markets this year. In India specifically, the focus is very much going to be on the election. As the election gets closer, markets going to get more and more nervous. And that'll probably be an opportunity to get back into the market at more attractive valuations.
I think if you look at first kind of a couple of months, the global headwinds and the softness in the economy as indicated by the auto data may have impact on the market. I think the big event still for the year would be elections because we've seen a big re-rating in some of the consumption names in India on back of good governance, good government, etc. So if we have any uncertainty on that verdict over there, that may impact that particular part of the market.
Although the U.S. markets have started 2019 on a mildly positive note, a lot of volatility is expected going forward. CNBC's Dominic Chu breaks down some of the potential catalysts for the market in the year ahead.
Well, there are a lot of potential catalysts for what could drive markets, and they fall into general themes, and they're the same themes that have been playing out since 2018. Let's put some dates on them for you so you know as traders and investors what to watch for. First of all, later on this week, we've got a big jobs report as well as Fed Chairman Jay Powell speaking and making public remarks. Later on next week, we've got trade talks possibly starting up with China, and then the week after that, January 14th, is the fourth quarter reporting season start. So watch those stocks there. And at the end of the year, or at the end of the month rather, January 20th, 30th, a big Fed meeting with a press conference. Remember, all Fed meetings have press conferences this time around. And let's fast forward to what you're going to watch for in March. The beginning of March is going to show that trade deadline with China and the trade and tariff discussion. March 1st, a big date to watch there, potential catalyst. And then March 19th through the 20th, another big Fed meeting with this associated press conference. So overall, guys, a lot of dates to keep an eye on, ones to watch that could be potential trading catalysts.